The Transcontinental Railroad used to take the long way around the Great Salt Lake, but in 1890, local Irish immigrant Don McGuire, a self-taught engineer, studied the lakebed and came up with a wild idea: build a 12-mile trestle across the lake. But Salt Lake City wanted the railroad to divert south instead, so they lobbied hard against the idea. That scared off investors, so McGuire took his idea straight to the people of Ogden. He published a long article in the Ogden Standard carefully explaining the plan. Salt Lake papers denounced it as the wildest and craziest scheme ever suggested by man. But this is Ogden. Wild and crazy is what we do. Engineers at Southern Pacific Railroad confirmed McGuire's plan was possible, and work on the Lucin Cutoff began. Ogden had a huge party, probably the biggest in its history, to celebrate its victory over Salt Lake City. 3,000 Southern Pacific employees worked 7 days a week until the Lucin Cutoff was complete in 1904. It cut 46 miles off the transcontinental journey and is now acknowledged as one of the greatest feats of railroad engineering in the world.